Hey guys, I'm sorry for this webcam thing, but somehow my computer camera broke, so I had to use this high HD webcam, and I can't set it up on my screen recorder. So this is my face cam from now on. Oh well, Pikachu. What? Pikachu? Pikachu? Oh no. Oh no. You know what? Why don't I just record the camera? Oh man. Oh well, no face cam for now. Bye bye. Well, this awesome webcam is awesome. Oh well, I sure was my shit on my face. Oh well. So I'm in Roblox Studio. I don't have a face cam anymore. I know, right? But I'm gonna show you how to make an animation tool in Roblox. I'll put a link in the description to my animation tool. You'll want to put it in the starter pack, like that. Oh, I thought I saw a model. I didn't. Starter player. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're either gonna go in the marketplace, but I already have one. Let's just search a cool animation. Let's do like Fortnite dance. Fortnite dance. Fortnite animation. Go to plugins and animate. I know how to do that. Load that animations. Oh my gosh, he said load that animations. Let's go to animation editor. Hey look Joe, you wanna be in my video with my high definition camera? Check this out. High definition. Look at how high definition that is. Isn't it so high definition?
I don't know what that means.
Means it's high quality. Jay doesn't know what high def means. It's early in the
I don't know
morning.
what high quality.
That's why Jenna's videos are low quality. She doesn't know what high quality is. She only knows what low quality is. Alright. Untitled animation. Let's go to File, Load. Oh wow. Electro Shuffle. Orange Justice. Let's check out Orange Justice. Load. Load Orange Justice. Default dance, Eagle. Which one can we use? I said flash. Oh, load it. It won't let me load the flash. Close it out. Of course, there's no animation at all because I wasn't able to load any. Load. Oh my gosh. You don't know how frustrating this is. Having a webcam that doesn't even work. You have to open up camera every time you want to see your people and then close it whenever you want to do your thing. I'll just get one for my inventory. Okay, so I found my Orange Justice one. You guys want to see it? Here it is. It's just Orange Justice. I know, it's pretty cool. We're gonna use this one. So copy the numbers up here. Copy. Then go back to Roblox. No, come on. Go back to here. Go to plugins and the animation editor and all that stuff. Just like he said. Oh, sorry. Jeez. No, we don't need this anymore. When I deleted the guy, it deleted my video. It's still here, just... Oh my gosh, it cut the video. Alright, go to the animation tool and go to the animation. Wait, you need the whole link. I didn't know that. sorry guys. You need the whole link. Then Control V it into there and then right click. There you go, it should be done. Now name it whatever your thing is, like OJ. Press play. You're gonna see the magic happen. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. I don't like having, it looks like I have a pimple. I'm just kidding, I'm moving my mouse when I move my hand. Okay, when's it gonna load? Let's close out my camera because I'm gonna work on here. You can't do two things at once. Jonah's getting cereal because it's early in the morning. Press OJ. Oh my gosh, guys! No way! Hey, can I, like... That's so cool! Oh my god! I'm doing the orange justice! Oh, that's so cool! So tired! Hope you liked my video on how to make a dance tool in Roblox. Hope to see you next time. Bye!